Hello and welcome to Wordpress tutorials. In today's video, I'll explain how cache of a website works. For example, you have a PHP website, then the browser will send requests to the PHP server, and then it will respond the result to the browser, and then it will show the result on the browser again. But if you have an HTML website, then it directly loads all the script from the HTML tab page, and it will show you on the browser. The PHP websites are normally slower than the HTML websites because HTMLs are directly loaded while the PHP are compiled on the server, and it gives back the result on the user side, and then it will show the result. So for that reason we use the cache plugin. What cache means that it have a cached version, an HTML version of every page on the website. So if a cached version is available, then the browser will not send the request to the PHP server, and it will get that cached version from the actual website, which is made by a user or a browser using a cache plugin or some commands. So normally a request is sent from the client side to the web browser, the web server, and then the PHP compiles along with the database and then return it to the web server software, and it will return it to the client. But with cached version, it will check if the cached version HTML is available, then it will take it. But if it's not available, then for only that page it will send the request to the server. But in the meantime, it will also save that page which is not existing in cache. It will save it into the cache, and in next time it will get that page from the cached version. So for this we use a plugin named WP Superfast Cache, which is the best plugin. Come to your dashboard, and in plugin click on add new. In the search bar type Super Fast Cache and press enter. So this is the plugin from Emery Vona, and click on install now. Press activate button. After activating the plugin, you will see the icon for WP Fastest Cache. Click on that. What this plugin will do, it will build all pages in HTML version. For example, if you have 30 pages, then it will build 30 cached version pages in the plugin folder or the hosting service folder. So first of all, you will have to click on enable cached version, preload. So you can select home page and post categories, anything you want. I'll choose home page. Okay. And there are various settings, minify CSS. There are also a lot of other options except this cache. So you can also combine CSS, combine JS, gzip compression, and all these settings. Click on submit to save, and it will automatically build all these pages cached version in the folder. So that was all for today's video. Please let me know in the comments if you have any question, and please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you.